In this video, we're going to be learning how to calculate the circumference of a circle. The circumference of a circle is the distance all the way around the outside of the circle. It is the perimeter of a circle. The formula to calculate the circumference of a circle is circumference is equal to pi times diameter. The diameter of a circle is the distance from one side of a circle to the other through the middle. So the diameter in this case is 13 centimeters. Substituting this into my formula gives pi times 13. Now as a multiple of pi, this is 13 pi, and because circumference is a distance, the units will be centimeters, because the diameter was also measured in centimeters. Grabbing a calculator and typing in 13 times pi, to one decimal place, the answer is 40.8 centimeters. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. So using the formula circumference is equal to pi times diameter, I can see that the diameter of the second circle is 23. So substituting this in gives me pi times 23, which as a multiple of pi is 23 pi centimeters. Grabbing a calculator and typing in 23 times pi gives 72.3 centimeters. This is the circumference of the circle, indicated by the blue line in my second example.